I do think there's a set formula to producing a great dish. To me, I'm solving a mathematical equation. I enjoy my interaction at work with my students and my fellow colleagues, but I think that I can communicate with people more through food. Cooking is definitely an outlet. My name is Julian Yo, and I'm an accounting professor at NYU Stern School of Business. To me, cooking and accounting share same common grounds. It's all about able to capture transactions so that you always have a balanced balance sheet. And I think that's how I approach cooking too. I teach a lot of different courses that include introductory financial accounting, advanced financial statement analysis, and managerial accounting. In terms of my work colleagues, I do not make it publicly known that I love to cook. Most people don't expect that I do this. Cooking is all about improvisation, and I think that translates to many aspects of what I do at work as well. And when I look at each ingredient, I think about what's the best way to bring out the best in each ingredient. That's very similar to how I approach my classroom. I teach my students how to maximize return on investment ROI, and to me cooking and able to produce a dish in 30 minutes is all about maximizing ROI. When I saw my American Express annual summary, how much I spent at restaurant, mentally I connected the amount with a really nice car. I thought it might be time for me to start cooking more at home. I would describe myself as an introvert. I find that food is a great way to connect with people. To me, it's a blank canvas where I can do anything I would like to. There's a light box in the kitchen, so immediately after I finish cooking, I would dim all the lights, turn on the light box, quickly snap it with my iPhone. The feed's been going on for about 5 to 6 years on Instagram. I made it part of my New Year's resolution that I would post 500 food pics on Instagram, hoping that that would be habitual. The best plate of food is something that does emote, especially if it brings back certain memory. A good plate of fried rice does that to me. One of my earliest memories with my grandmother, when I was sick as a child, I would get served a bowl of fried rice. I think we all as humans crave for interactions. I do find myself eating alone quite often, but on Instagram, since people get to see my food, I never feel as if I'm eating alone. I start getting likes on Instagram, and I started having conversation, private messages on Instagram while I eat. We hope to do things that we enjoy, and being able to connect with someone emotionally, that's a beautiful thing.